Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to borrow money from Gcash without Gscore. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. What you're going to do is head over to the Gcash app. From there, you're going to see borrow over here. So you're going to click on borrow and then you're going to click on G loan and then you're going to click on get started. After that, you need to choose the loan amount. So choose however money you want to, get a loan as. And then you're going to click on months to pay and then choose your purpose of loan and then click on get this loan and then receive everything and click on continue. And finally, they'll ask you to review everything. So click on next and then you need to agree to their data privacy agreement and then click on submit. After that, what you need to do is agree to all of this one more time and click on continue. Finally, confirm everything and it will ask you for a verification text message, so make sure you verify that and then it will say that your loan application has been successful. And there you go, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.